Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about vertical vs horizontal scaling. First of all, let's set the terminology. Vertical, it means that you are having a campaign with a specific budget and you keep scaling this campaign with this budget again and again and again. Horizontal means that you are not scaling this campaign, you're doing another campaign and another campaign, another campaign, another campaign. Basically right now there are two schools inside Facebook, which is the one which is talking about running consolidation or one campaign as they call it, and in the strategies that I follow more, it's scaling horizontally with multiple campaigns. Both of them, they have advantages and disadvantages. I'm pretty sure that both of them are working across summer accounts and stuff, and that nobody holds the only truth, and stuff. I'm just saying here whatever is working better for me and it's more convenient for me. So, already the answer, I do like horizontal scaling. But why? Because when you are scaling with just one campaign, what you're doing is that you're increasing the budget, and I feel like that you are risking so much in just one campaign. If you fail, then you're not going to be able to recover easily, or you're going to lose the whole campaign and you will have to start all over again. In the way that I'm doing it with horizontal, you're having multiple campaigns. If you lose one, you just replace it with another. You're not losing all of your progress, basically. You're just building a ladder with different campaigns. In the horizontal scaling, what we're doing is that we're having campaigns with different angles. Basically, we're trying to target different hot pockets and we're not just doing the same creative again and again and again. If you want to abuse a creative and you want to scale more, you can do cost caps always on the same ad account and try to scale it as much as you can, but we don't do that. On the vertical scaling, what they do is that they toss creatives inside the campaign all the time and they try to see if a creative is going to be better than the other, which means that if it's going to become the leading spending creative, that means that you can scale it more, and this is their philosophy. I have seen many people coming to me into my mentorship programs with collapsed accounts from this method, and I don't use it for this reason. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. The other thing which I need to mention is that it's not about running multiple campaigns just like that. It's about having a philosophy about it, okay? So basically we run multiple campaigns with different angles. We try to target different hot pockets. You can scale a little bit more an angle which is working maybe with a crazy method campaign, but don't overdo it or abuse it. And we're doing also cost caps. And we're having multiple campaigns that we're working together as an average thing. So it's an ecosystem of campaigns and we're working together and we're seeing all the campaigns with an average result. We are not just seeing each campaign individually after we finish the CBO or ASC optimization that we do there. We're just doing it in a way that we are seeing them all together with an average results. Because if you're just seeing them individually, one of them is going to have 1.6 ROAS while you need 2, and the other one is going to have 2.2. And if you just close the 1.62, for example, you're losing budget while you could have maintained it. And the next week it was going to do better while the other one was going to do even worse. So, running horizontal scaling with multiple campaigns without understanding average results and being able to operate with average results with multiple campaigns and having an ecosystem of campaigns is something that's not going to work, and this is where the biggest problem is from people that they are saying that horizontal scaling is not working for them. They either use the same creative abusing it because the people that they run one campaign, they abuse the same creative, so they learn to do the same thing also when they do horizontal. They don't use different angles. They just believe that with one creative they have to scale infinitely, which is wrong. And the other thing is that they don't know how to work with average results, which is a very big problem because they have learned to work with one campaign. So it's very difficult for you to pivot from the vertical to the horizontal if you don't have deep knowledge about Facebook ads. I can do both. It doesn't matter because I can understand the both principles.
I'm something of a scientist myself.
But at the end of the day, I think that it's easier if you focus on creatives to scale more. I have also case studies proving it with ad accounts that they were not able to scale more while they were doing just one campaign, and I scaled more by doing multiple campaigns with horizontal scaling. But we have a problem. After the new change that we have right now from the conversion of advanced shopping campaigns to advanced sales campaigns and not having anymore the option for manual or advanced shopping campaigns, I'm starting using more and more CBO campaigns, crazy method, optimization of this, and I'm working with average results there. The problem is that back in the day, I was doing the same thing with multiple campaigns, but advanced shopping campaigns, focusing more on the creative side and optimizing on the ad level with really dominant ads. In the ASC campaigns, the advanced shopping campaigns, you were able to scale vertically these budgets. So I was able to do vertical and horizontal at the same time. I do believe that with the new setup that we're going to have right now, working more with CBO campaigns, we're going to have a problem to the vertical side, and we're not going to be able to use vertical, and we're going to only scale with horizontal, because normally when you touch optimized CBO campaigns and you increase their budgets, they tend to behave bad, and a lot of times they start again between the ad sets to one ad set is losing, another one, you have to optimize it all over again, in other words. So we're going to have a problem now with the new setup. We're not going to be able to use both. We're going to use mostly the horizontal because the other one is going to create problems to the average results of our whole ad account. So if you ask me which one is better, for me, horizontal. There are other people that they work with one campaign and they scale vertically, but a lot of times their ad accounts are collapsing. My argument with them is, show me an ad account that you have been scaling, not necessarily all the time, but that you have scaled and you have maintained for a year. I can show you many ad accounts with horizontal and multiple campaigns because I have options on bad periods to play and be able to lower budgets or do things. But you're not going to show me most of the times the people that are showing the one ad account structure, they have 1 or 2 months of scaling and then the ad account is completely collapsed. So I do like more on the account level, the horizontal scaling. I used to do both with vertical also on the different campaigns when I was having advanced shopping campaigns. I think that this is going to be removed now, and we're going to move only to horizontal scaling with doing campaigns, CBO campaigns, and optimizing them and working with average results without scaling them. If you want to learn how you're going to run ads with horizontal scaling, you can check my course. Everything is inside. Why we're doing this, all the theories behind it, daily loop, crazy method, CBO optimization, Loom videos of me optimizing live ad accounts and show you what is working right now on live ad accounts. I'm managing between 5 and 10 million every month across many accounts, and I know what is currently working right now. That's why you see me being so certain about it. The other thing is that over there, you're going to find also chosen 5 sessions from my mentorships and people that I'm working one-on-one daily. And you can learn a lot more from them and from their ad accounts. And you can see below all the reviews from the people that have completed my course. Also, I have my mentorship programs where we can work together if you are a high spend individual. You can see below all the testimonials from the people who completed my mentorship programs. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.